Hi, I'm here to tell you about the Pennsylvania Youth Survey, or the PAYS. The PAYS asks questions about many topics, from mental health and how much sleep you get to bullying and tobacco, alcohol and drug use.
The information you're about to provide is very important to our state. State organizations have been partnering for over 30 years to bring the survey to students just like you.
The PAYS is your chance to tell policymakers, state and community leaders, school administrators, and many others about your experiences and challenges and what types of things young people in your community need to be healthy and do well in both school and life.
Thanks for choosing to take this survey and for taking it seriously. And tell your parents thanks too. They had to give permission for you to take the survey today. Your experiences and opinions really do make a difference in the lives of others.
Your privacy is very important. Your answers are confidential, which means no one will know how you answer. The survey won't ask for your name, and there's no way any of the information can be linked back to you. Really, no one will know how you answered. This is not a test, and you won't be graded on anything. The most important thing is to answer honestly based on your experiences.
You might be wondering how your answers can help other people. Results from past surveys have been used to help people understand the types of challenges we face so they can figure out ways to help.
Schools, adults, and organizations in your community need information from surveys like this so they can better understand how to best serve you and your classmates. So let's get started.
The survey takes about 30 to 45 minutes to finish. Once you start the survey, you need to finish it or get as far as you can. It's okay not to finish it if you run out of time, but make sure you aren't doing anything else while you take it. Remember, this is your opportunity for your voice to be heard.
You can skip any questions you do not want to answer or do not understand. If you don't want to take this survey, quietly sit at your desk until the other students are finished.
Make sure no one else can see your survey and that your answers are private. Your teacher won't be walking around the room and won't look at your responses. Your teacher or the person giving the survey cannot explain what a question means. If you are not sure of what a question means, or if you do not want to answer it, just leave the question blank.
When you are taking the survey online, click the answer you want to choose for each question. To change your answer, just click on the one you want to use instead. Use the next and back buttons at the bottom of the screen to move through the survey questions. Only use the buttons at the bottom of the page. Do not use the back or forward browser buttons on the web page. It will kick you out of the survey if you use the web page browser buttons.
If you are completing a paper survey, answer the questions by marking one of the answer bubbles like in the example on the second page of your survey booklet. Your answers will be read by a computer, so fill in the bubble completely using a number 2 pencil. If you want to change an answer, erase the old answer completely. When completing the survey, write the number listed on the board on the front page of your booklet.
I want you to know that no one assumes you're doing something just because they ask questions about it. And it doesn't mean anyone thinks it's okay to do something either, just because they asked about it. They just want to know about your experiences. Some of the questions will have a choice to say you don't do that behavior.
Please answer truthfully. Remember, your answers are confidential and can't be linked back to you in any way. You can skip any questions you do not want to answer or do not understand. Choose the answer you think best describes your experience. If none of them seem right, you can leave an answer blank or choose the one that is closest to your experience.
When you are done taking the survey, do not close the web browser until you get to the last page and click Done. Your answers will only be saved when you get to the last page. Thanks for participating.
If you should have any questions or concerns after taking this survey, please talk with your school counselor or another trusted adult. Thanks for your help with this important survey. The results will help us improve the health and wellness of all students in Pennsylvania.